We're going to go ahead and do 4 more letters of the Arabic language. And the first letter we're going to teach you this session is Sa. Sa is not like an S, like Sa. This is the Sa. Remember, we learned this last session. This is a Sa. This is a Sa. And for instance, the S in sun sounds like a Sa, compared to the S in sin, which sounds like a Sa, sun. Now, how does it look in the beginning of the word? This is surah. Surah is a picture. Surah. Surah. Sus is a chick. Sus. And you notice this word has sa in the beginning and sa at the end of the word. Surah. Surah is a picture. Sus is a chick. Lus. Lus is a thief. Lus is a thief. And this is how the sa looks at the end of the word. This is how it looks at the end of the word if it's not connected to the letter before it. Like in the waw doesn't connect to the letter after it, and that's why this sa looks like the letter as it appears separately. So, surah, sus, and lus, thief. The second letter looks alike. It has a dot. It's a da, da, da. The first word is dud, dud, and it means against. Dud. Now you know what letter is this? What letter is this? This is da. So dud. It means against. Dawda. Dawda. Dawda is when you have a loss of traffic and movement, like in the marketplace, and people talking and things of that nature. That's dawda. The reason I chose this word because it has 2 da. This da here in the beginning, and this is in the middle of the word. Dawda. So dud is against, dawda. And this is how the da appears at the end of the word, marad. Marad is illness, illness or disease, marad. So this is the sa, this is the da, and this is how the letters look in the beginning, in the middle, and the end of the words. And they look alike because they are alike to start with, except for the dot on the da. The third letter I want to teach you today is the ta. Ta. Tayyara. Tayyara is a plane, airplane. Tayyara. This is how it looks in the beginning of the word. Tayyara. Batal. Batal is a hero. And this is how the ta looks in the middle of the word. Batal, hero. And balat. Balat is tile. Now, as we're doing these letters, I want you to try to recognize some of the letters that you already learned. For instance, this letter is a ba. This is what you're learning now, ta. This is a ba. This is alif, lam, and alif. So this is ta. The fourth letter, which looks like a ta, except with a dot, is a dha. 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 Say, dhalam. Dhalam is darkness. Dhalam. Darkness. Nadhara. Nadhara is eyeglasses. And Hadh is luck. Hadh, luck. So this is the da, the lam. This is how the da looks in the beginning. Nadhara and Hadh. Ta, tayyara. Batal, balat. Da, dud, dawda, marad. Sa, surah, sus, and lus. Now I want to show you how these letters look in the beginning, in the middle, and the end of the word without writing any words. So this is the sa in the beginning. This is at the end, and this is in the middle of the word. Same thing here, da in the middle, and this is the da at the end. The ta in the beginning, in the middle of the word, and the end of the word. This is the da in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Now, this is to remind you how important it is to review these sessions. We've done now several sessions, each one lasts between maybe 3 to 7 minutes, maybe 8 minutes in one of them. And I want you to review these every day, maybe take 20 minutes of your schedule and just go over the alphabets and review all these videos. It might look complicated, but if you keep on looking at these letters, they become second nature to you. For instance, if you look at this board, we just learned this, it will take probably 5 to 10 minutes of your time to go over it again and review these letters that we already presented. Just this is very important that you devote this 20 minutes every day so that we can progress to the other letters, and then we want to move to learning more words, verbs, and making some short sentences. Thank you.